guys, welcome to my room. Hi guys, it's Nicole, and for today's video, I'm going to be doing a room tour. This video is so requested on my channel, and the last time I did this was like the beginning of 2019, so it's been a minute. Around that time, I did like a redecorating my room, like a room transformation, and then I did a room tour. But then now it's been like a year and a half, so I thought I would do an updated room tour. This is where I spend most of my time. I will try to like tell you guys where things are from. No promises that I remember where everything is from, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and let's get started. Hey! So my mom is filming. Say hi, Mom.
Hello, Mom.
Okay, but yeah, welcome to my room. Come inside. Here, we'll switch positions. So this is my door. Nice, I know. My light switch is right here. This controls my ceiling fan, which is over there. When you walk in, you have my zebra chair.
You probably had it for like 10 years.
I know, I've had this for so long. It came in like a set of 2, so there was like 2, but then when I did my room over, I needed more space, so we just got rid of 1. But I have this zebra chair. I'm sorry, I don't know where it's from. And then I keep this little pillow, and Sadie chewed the side of it. And then behind, I have some yoga mats because sometimes I like to work out in my room, so I'll just keep them right here. And then above the chair, I have this little Shine Bright heart. What are the, clothespins, like little hanging things. I keep notes from PR packages that I've gotten. So I have some from like Marc Jacobs, Sunbum, which is like crazy. So I just want to like, you know, pin them on the wall. So yeah, love this little part. Oh, right. My subscriber plaque. This is my 100K plaque, and I love you guys. It's all from you. Mwah. So yeah, I just keep it on top of my bed, like up here, because I just think it's so pretty and I just love looking at it. Okay, moving on to my bed. This is where I sleep and also where I spend most of my time, like when I'm in my room. But my bed frame is from IKEA, and it actually pulls out to go into a full bed, but I barely do that because it's honestly really hard to like pull it out and everything. But yeah. Here's my bed. I have a lot of pillows, as you guys can see. They're all from IKEA, and then I have these 2 that I got from 2 of you guys when I went to the Philippines. They're so cute. I have this pink one and then this gray one. And then this blanket is from Target? Yeah, it's from Target. Yeah, that's my bed. Oh wait, comforter. A lot of people ask me where I get my blanket.
Oh, Amazon.
Oh, it's from Amazon. Okay, and then on this side, we have like random things. First of all, over here, we have a bunch of like lanyards. We have like Hawaiian leis, credentials, like different stuff like that. Some of the credentials are like from jobs that I've worked on before. So we have like Kids Sports Awards. These are from like 2016. This is kind of old. This is when I danced with Gwen Stefani for like a holiday special. I went to the Mulan world premiere, like for the movie that just came out, but like that was back in March before like the whole corona thing started. And then I have like leis that I've gotten from supporters when I went to Hawaii. I have my phone and I keep it like right here on my bed because I lay this way, so then it's very easy to access, you know? And then we have this little chair that I kind of use as a nightstand. I don't know, I just put random things on it. We have this little cup. I have my lights remote, which controls my LEDs. Very cool, I know. Hashtag TikTokers. You know what? So many people ask if that's a roach. They're like, is that a roach on your ceiling? And I'm like, no, it connects my LED lights. So don't worry, there's no bugs in my room. Trust me, I would scream and get it if there was. But yeah, that's just my LEDs. So I'll just put them as white right now. But I have like random things like a pen, a portable charger. This bag is filled with more cords. Not that interesting. And then I have like my AirPods. And then this, like just random things. And then right here, I have like all my chargers. So like my phone charger, this is a camera charger, another portable charger, and then some tissues. Yeah. Then we have my window. I don't know if is the lighting still good?
Yeah.
Okay, right here. So this is my window. I just have blinds. And then we have this mirror. So, long story short, my mom got me this little wall mirror, but we just never pinned it up on anything. So I just put it right here and it's kind of just stuck. It also has LED lights on it. which I will show you guys. It's nice. Like whenever I need to like do my makeup real quick, I'll just go right here and then there's LED lights, so pretty handy. Next, my makeup drawers. I love this corner of my room. It looks kind of like, what is the word? Like cluttered, but trust me, it's just like all of my stuff. This is the Alex 9 drawers from IKEA, and then on top I keep all of my Sunbum products. They sent me all of this and I literally love Sunbum with all my heart, so yeah. I have like hair products, sunscreen. I have some perfumes from Marc Jacobs. This is the perfect one. They sent this to me and I was like, what? But it smells so good. So I have this one. And then this one is just Daisy by Marc Jacobs that I got like 1 or 2 years ago and it still lasts. And then I have like makeup brushes, some extra mirrors. And then we just have my makeup. I love makeup, so I have a pretty good amount of it. In this little crevice we have a trash can. You guys probably don't want to see that. And then we'll move on to my dresser. So this is also from IKEA. I really like this dresser. It has a lot of space to put stuff in. So it has like these 4 small drawers and then also 4 big drawers. And then I'll just show you guys what's on top. There's a lot of things on this dresser. First we have these little drawers. Don't know where I got them from because I've had this like all my life. I don't know. These have always been here. We just have some rubber bands and then I keep like earrings in here. Voila. And then just like random things. And then moving over here we have this little plant that I got in the $1 section of Target. It's fake, but I just keep that right here. And then we have like hair accessories, sunglasses. I have like these blue lights that I got from Princess Polly. My mom calls me Harry Potter when I wear these. But like they're kind of cute, you know? So sometimes I put those on. So that is that. I kind of like try to keep it organized, you know? And then we have my trifold vanity mirror. So a lot of people ask me where this is from. It's from Amazon, right? So my mom got the mirror. It's from Amazon. And then also the lights. These are also from Amazon. And you just like stick them on. And it's so pretty. I just like, it's so nice.
Turn it on.
Oh, right. And then here's what it looks like when the lights are turned on. Isn't it so cute? So I just keep different things like my bucket hats, some other hats. I have my scrunchies, my collection of scrunchies right here. Yeah, I was a big scrunchie fan back in like 6th grade, so I collected them. We have some claw clips, more hair like barrette thingies, and that's that. Oh, we have some like headbands right here. These are cute. What?
Put one on.
Okay. Should I keep it on for the rest of the video? Okay. On this side, we have some other different things. First, we have my cameras. Just have some from Canon. And then my Hydro Flask water bottle. I have a bunch of different stickers on it, as you guys can see. I have these workout resistance bands that are good for like, like squats and stuff. And then we have more stickers that I just keep right here. We also have my dang it. And then over here we have this little mannequin thingy and I keep all of my necklaces and bracelets, just like my collection of things. And then also over here I have this Polaroid that I got in like 5th grade. And I'm surprised it still works, but it does. So I have this elephant that I got on my trip when we went to India back in 2017. Someone on production gave me this and it was so sweet, so I keep this on my dresser. I also have Christmas decorations that hide behind the wall or behind the mirror, but these will be coming out very soon. Oh, also candles, but my dad doesn't let me light them because he thinks it's a fire hazard to the house and thinks I'm gonna burn down the house. Now we have, oh, in this little crevice we have a bunch of different backpacks and bags. So I have like this one that I use for school, this new Hydro Flask one that's like a lunch pail, pretty cool. And then we have my desk, which is probably, aside from my bed, I also spend a lot of time here. This is where I work. Either schoolwork, editing, just like stuff on my laptop, all those different things. I have this TV, which doesn't actually work as a TV. I don't even know. It's kind of like a computer, but I mostly just use my laptop for everything. Anyways, this desk is from IKEA. Don't know if they still sell it because I've had it for a long time. This lamp is from Target.
I think I got it at Ross.
JK, Ross. But it's really pretty. It has like crystals right here. And then I have all of my stationery, and I love stationery. I'm a very stationery fanatic. I did a desk tour on my IGTV explaining like each little thing. So if you guys want to check that out, my Instagram's @Nicole Laeno, and you can find that on my IGTV. And then right here, I have like a pencil case, a to-do list, a bullet journal, more stationery and stuff like that. And then on the back of my chair, I have my 2 designer bags. I have my LV bag, my Louis Vuitton mini backpack. I use this probably the most. I don't know, it's just so convenient, and I don't hold a lot of stuff, so like this is the perfect size for me. And then I also have this black Gucci one. It's a little bigger, so if I have to carry like clothes in my bag, then sometimes I'll use this. And that's that. All right, you guys, now we're gonna move on to my closet. These are my curtains. They're from Target, and I think they're like the prettiest shade of pink ever, and they're also like velvet, so they're super soft. Welcome! This is where majority of my clothes are. Definitely like all of my tops, my jackets are in here, and then like in my dressers, those are like pants and pajamas, but this is where I keep most of my clothes. I do have my closet color coded. Up there, we have my dad's jeans. Love you, Dad. He's just always kept them up there because in their bedroom my mom takes over their master closet, so my dad has to put his stuff in here. And then up there I just have like boxes, and then we have my Christmas pillows. These will be out soon. Down here I have some more clothes. There will be a haul coming, so stay tuned. And then we just have more stuff like drawers with more clothes. And then over here I have this like black thing that contains a lot of stuff. There's like school supplies, books, a lot of my tech stuff for like filming equipment and things like that. And then there's like this little pocket over here with more filming equipment. And that's my closet. And that was my room. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, go comment on my community tab, subscribe to my channel, and turn on my post notifications. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye!